Hey, I'm Mark Clement. I'm a contractor, I'm a carpenter, I'm a content guy, and I'm a homeowner. And I'm here today with Wright Products to lament over the overlooked storm screen door. It is one of the most overlooked things I see in my home improvement practice going into my customers' homes, and it's one of the most overlooked going into my own home. Stop the drip, drip, drip of dinge. Fix up your storm screen door, because a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Not this. This is terrible. Three things jump out at me right away on this door. The closer hardware is pulling away, which means it's reaming out the aluminum, and it's been slamming. So it's time for a new closer on here. Two, if it gets any wind on it at all, I can see that the Z-bar here is loose. Just a quick glance down here, and I can see we've got a corroded fastener. This latch looked like it was dragged behind my truck to get here, so I think we're going to replace that too. While we're at it, we'll give it a good cleaning, and that'll force us to go everything with a fine-tooth comb. We've got the closer in, and it was obvious while installing it that the original closer had flung out and ripped out. Someone put it back in, used deck screws, whatever. A $10 part here, a wind chain from Wright, is insurance to keep this door from getting whipped open again and maybe breaking, smashing something out here. So the next step for this door is a wind chain. The instructions for the wind chain say to install the spring cleat 18 inches from the door jamb and the door cleat 19 inches from the edge of the door. If you want your door to open a little more, say past 90 degrees, all you have to do is shrink one or both of these measurements and the door will open past 90, and there you go. For the last part of this project, we're installing Wright's premium door lever for storm screen doors, and we're using it for three reasons. One, it's really nice. Two, it's oversized, and the purpose that serves is it hides witness lines from hardware that's been moving around. And three, it's just gonna work better. And that's the point of this whole thing. Let me walk you through it. First step is to measure the door thickness. I'm about 1.25 inches here. After that, I'm gonna pop this old hardware off. Now to get the 2 halves of the Wright latch installed. I think that screw found the boss on the other side. Tell me I'm right. It did. Don't over tighten. Check for straight. That bit, and just snug the screws up. We're almost there. All right, let's see how it closes. Last step, the strike. Wright provides 2 strikes for their screen door lever replacement, a deep one and a shallow one. For this door, we're going to use the shallow one. And it's that easy. Wright carries all the products you need for this storm screen upgrade. The door looks great, It works great. Wright Products, right job.